A different exciting video today. I'm up in the Highlands, the Cairngorms specifically, just above Blair Athol. Had a nice little view of the castle there and whatnot, and I've been walking up into the Highlands fully. Now we're going off the beaten track, and the main aim of today is to firstly find some deer and stags, and secondly hopefully see them locking horns, as it's this time of year, normally October time, that behaviour starts to happen. So I'm going to head up and see what we can find. And that's about it. So let's get going and see what we can see. Today I'll be using the Mavic 2 Pro. Among that I'll have other items like a spyglass. Well, I don't know if it's a spyglass, but it's, you know, it's one of those, it's like binoculars but they've cut half of it off. And I'll also be using a landing pad, as obviously the places I'm taking off are all very hilly and high grass, so that's where a landing pad's fantastic. So that's the equipment, there's the aim, let's crack on. So unfortunately, I was getting some B-roll with the drone. I didn't quite have time to set up the camera, but I was using the looking glass type thing. I'm sure there's definitely a better name for that. And just on the horizon of a hill, I thought I saw what might be a deer. And so I got the drone out, got closer, and then as I came over the rise of the hill, bang, there it was. And then I thought, oh, maybe it's just one or two, and then kept going over. There's a whole bunch of them. And it's fair to say you quickly forget everything that I was there to film. I'm kind of just trying to get close but also not interfere with them. Of course, obviously it could be worse, people could be shooting them, so luckily I'm only shooting them with film. So followed them for a little while, and then while I was here, obviously I saw the lock that went over that fence there. Couldn't quite find them again, but then I saw a singular stag come back over, so quickly rushed over to that one. And he quickly got used to the drone, got some really cracking shots with him. Unfortunately, I've used 3 of my 4 batteries, so I'm not sure if we'll get the locking of the horns today, but we did get some nice shots of some deer, and it leaves us something to try and get for next time, even though the season's kind of coming to an end where they're doing that activity. And that's the end of the video, really. Exciting. It was good fun. I look to try and film some more animals, more deer, possibly try and find a golden eagle and a humpback whale with different types of drones. So let us know if you'd be interested in a video like that. And if you enjoyed this, please remember to subscribe, of course, and we'll catch you in the next one.